Electric glass kettle has a stunning look and the transparent design make it even more attractive. The indicator technology which indicates heating will automatically to light up as the heating starts and auto shut off after boil. The delicate yet classy looking glass kettle works like a charm and adds beauty to your kitchen. The electric kettle is combined of food-grade borosilicate glass and 304 stainless steel makes it looks fascinating and healthier. The borosilicate glass has a very low coefficient of thermal expansion, making it resistant to thermal shock. With the advanced temperature controller, the kettle has auto shut off and boil dry protection technology, ensuring the water is fully boiled and shut off when water is boiled or no water inside. The Stay Cool handle will ensure that handling of the tea kettle is easy and safe, helps to prevent burns.